So it's happening. This is my first English video. God, I need to get out of my comfort zone. Hello Artiman, I hope you're well. For all those who are new on this channel, my name is Ana Baron and welcome to Coffee Time with Ana. And as Selena says, today's inspo was taken for this picture of Selena, and I want an outfit like her, but I don't have a booster, and it will be really weird if I made a video with a booster, so no.
Not only as an entertainer, but as a person who cared a lot, and I gave the best that I could, and I tried to be the best role model that I possibly could, and the best person that I could. I tried to help out.
Sí, es tan tranquilo que tengo que... ¿Está vivo o no?
She's a real inspiration for me as a Mexican American. She was an amazing singer. A lot has been said and written about Selena, and Chris Perez made an amazing job. This is an amazing gift for her fans and for Selena. Let's talk about the author, the widower of Selena, Chris Perez. I investigated a little bit more of him on internet. I have here my laptop for support. His full name is Christopher Hilbert Perez. He's an American guitarist, best known as lead guitarist for the Tejano band Selena y Los Dinos. He released his first album, Resurrection, which won a Grammy Award for Best Latin Rock Album. The publishing house of this book is Celebra, and it's part of Penguin Random House Company. There are a lot of books of this house, of this company, and I think it's really popular. The book has 296 pages. I investigated to the genre. It's a biography, it's about music, it's romantic, love story. I'm going to talk a little bit about the book. I want you to read it. I'm not going to tell you spoilers or something that it's going to ruin you the experience. If you want to practice your English, I think this book is really cool and it's really easy to understand. It's going to help you a lot. First of all, I would love to highlight and give the credit to the cover. Everything it's beautiful, as you can see it. I think she's so real in this picture, and there's no other perfect picture for this book. Behind, there's the synopsis. I really love this picture. It's one of my favorites of Chris and Selena. There's a history actually on this book about this guitar. Chris needs a lifetime to tell us more and more about his married life with Selena. He wrote about the good moments, the real ones. He tells us about the real Selena, the simple Selena, the one who admired the simple all the time. I want to clarify something. A lot has been said about the part he relates they had sex for the first time, and people have seen it with curiosity and morbid. I don't know if that's the word in English. In Spanish is morbo. He just said something on a paragraph. He has left the moment in something really intimate. As you can see it here, it says it's a commemorative edition. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of some pictures. I don't want problems or copyright or something like that. In every chapter there's a picture and it has the credits. She was capable to realize her dreams. She was an amazing inspiration for a lot of kids too. Music isn't a very stable business, she said. It comes and goes, and so does money. But your education stays with you. If you have a dream, Selena added, don't ever let anybody take that away from you. The impossible is always possible. I cry a lot in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. Sorry, I remember a Taylor Swift song. I cry a lot in the middle of the night. At 3 a.m. I was finishing the book, the part where he goes to the hospital. God, you're reading and you're living that part with Chris. And at this point, I can say that I admire Chris Perez. He's an overcomer. I want to read you the end. It's something truly, madly, deeply beautiful. Selena, I'm still dreaming of you. Selena teaches about our real married life, the reality of the relationships, what is to be in love. One of my goals is travel around Texas, all of the places where she was, the boutique, the house where they live, the museum. Oh my god, I want to meet the museum. That's my review for To Selena with Love. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Come here, come here, come here. Say hi. Say hi. Bueno, él habla en español. Adiós, adiós. You need to practice English too. Si vieras cómo duele perder tu amor, con tu adiós te llevas mi corazón.